Introducing the 2008 Toyota Sienna. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.